basically accelerated skill development project has been devised for the youth of merged area. Here we provide skill trainings. As per census report of 2017, there are 2.2 million youths in the merged areas. So according to the census report, the seats have been distributed among the districts of merged areas. These skill trainings will enable these youth to work at their doorsteps and to provide services to their community, and it will enable them to earn livelihood for their families. The project will focus on trainings, skill trainings of 5,500 youth. In the first batch, we have trained 302 youth, and now in the second batch, which has been launched formally over here, we will train 445 youth. We have targeted the market-oriented trades which are sellable in the labor market. So hopefully this project will be completed successfully, and we will train maximum youth for the welfare of the society and for their livelihood earning.